alphabets first. Okay. You can see here A sounds A. Okay, A. B is be. C is say. D is they. C sometimes sounds like k, sounds like so. The same rule like English. So if C will come before A, O, and U. Okay. So that will sounds like k. Okay. Like casa, house, casa. Then escuela, school, escuela. Como, like or as. Okay, sounds like k. But if you will see C come before the vowel E and I, then it will sound like so. Like zero, zero, okay, zero. Then cielo, okay, sky, okay, cielo. So this sounds like so, okay. Then de delphi, d delphi, de, E is a, F is fa, G is he. The sound is he. It will come from your this. We are saying no garganta. This gland. Then G is sound like he. Okay. But G sometimes sound like G. The same rule of C. When G will come before the alphabet A, O, U, it will sound like G, like gato, goma, gustar. And when it will come before the letter E and I, it will sound like H. Okay. Gimnasio. Then gerente. Okay. So it sounds like H. H has no sound. Okay. Remember, there is no sound of D and T. It is always D and T. D and T. Okay. H is ache. H called ache. And it is like whenever any vowel will be there after H, H will take the sound of that vowel. Okay. For example, it is given hippopotamo. I, the sound is E. Okay. I, the sound is E. Okay. J is khota. The sound will come like kh. Okay. Khota, kh. Hirafa. Once, let me just tell you all the sounds, then we will pronounce these words. K or ka. Okay. L is LA, M is MA, N is NA, and there is one N with a virgurio. Okay, virgurio, or we are calling it tilde, that is NE. Okay. O is oso, P is, sorry, O is O, P is pe, Q is ku, R is R, S is SA, T is te, U is u, uve, V is uve. Okay, uve, that is uve sound. W is uve doble, okay. Then X is ikkis, Hindi letter 21 ikkis. Okay, Y is Y and Z is seta. Okay. So now let's, I'm just doing you the how to spell it. And there is a small tilde slanting line that you can see is going to happen on only on vowels or vocales. Okay. Los alfabetos, these are the alphabets. They have vowels. Las vocales. Okay. The same. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. These are the vowels and others are called as los consonantes. Okay. So, if you will find out that tilde on any of the vowel, there you have to stress on that sound. Okay. Aguila. It's not Aguila. It's not Aguila. It's Aguila. Okay. Aguila. Aguila, you can see vulture. Besonte. Okay. Zebra. Delfín. Elefante. Foca. Gallo. Gallo. Hipopótamo. Iguana. Jirafa. koala, león, mono, nutria, Nyandu, Español, España, okay, all this NA. Also, perro, perro, then cual tigre, rinoceronte, serpiente, toro, wapiti, vaca, umbat, ardilla, ceros, yak, zorro. Okay.
Typically, to some of the letters which have more than one sound and that cause a lot of problems to people that want to learn Spanish. Okay, I'm gonna give you examples, and don't forget that this lesson is part of a series. So if you're interested just in, like, you already know the alphabet or you know the letters, but you have some problems with some with the pronunciation of a specific letter, then just go to my playlist and look up for some of the letters you have problems with. Okay, well, let's start, and well, let's start from here and we'll finish here. That's of course we're gonna do that. Okay, bueno, vamos a empezar. Entonces, A de Ana. B de burro, donkey. C de César, maybe your name is César. O C de casa. Two sounds. Okay, we're gonna look up for something. We're gonna talk about this later. Now let's finish this list. Okay. D de dedo. This is my dedo. Dedos. E de Eduardo. Eduardo. F de foco. Foco is the bulb. Foco. G de gato. Another letter. G de gato, but G de género. Gender or general. Gato, género. Let's skip this for the next list, okay? H de historia. Doesn't have a sound. H de historia. Do you hear a sound? I don't. I go for the E, historia. But che de churro. You like those churros? No, with chocolate inside? Churro. But historia. And we're going to talk about this letter too after, okay? E de Inés. Maybe my name could be Inés, but no, I'm Ana. E de Inés. J de Julio. Julio, if it's the month, with a lowercase, but Julio, if it's your name Julio, maybe your name is Julio. Why not? I don't really like that name. K de kilo. And this one is interesting, K de kilo. Because, for example, in Mexico, we always express things by kilo, not pounds, libras, esas cosas. Always kilo. K de kilo. Now we're going to the other side. And we start for L. L de loco o loca. Por ejemplo, yo estoy loca. Tú estás loco o loca. Doble L or ella. Both names, people recognize them by both names. I like doble L. De lluvia, rain. You know, rain is lluvia. M de mamá. Mi mamá. M de mamá. N de no. Ñ de niño. Well, yeah, the ñ is the second syllable, but I just didn't want to put ñoño, which is kind of a bad word. It's nerd, but I don't want to use that word. I don't like it. Ñ de niño. O. O de hola. The wave is hola. Hola, pero hola. Okay? When you greet someone, you say hola. But when you go to the beach, you see olas. Waves. Okay? Bueno. P de Pedro. I like the name Pedro. Pedro. Q. Q. Q de queso. No queso. You don't order empanadas de queso. You order empanadas de queso, cheese, queso. And this is another letter we're going to do some research about, okay? But later. R. R de Ramón. But R de arena. But doble R de perro, dog. Ramón, arena, perro. Oh, this is interesting. These are two interesting cousins, okay? Almost twin sisters, and we're going to talk about them later too. S de sol, sol, en la mañana, el sol.
Sun.
Okay. Sun. T de tonto, dumb, tonto. But you're not like that. You're very smart. Tú eres muy listo. U, like that. U de huracán. And I tricked you, eh? Huracán. U, but it starts with H. But the H is silent in Spanish, so it doesn't have a sound. So it starts with U. Huracán, because this is silent. Doesn't talk, doesn't gossip, nothing. Silent. V. V de vaca. B de burro, pero V de vaca. Another interesting sound. W. W. W de Washington. Now, yeah, my example is probably very bad. Washington. What does Washington have to do with Spanish language? Well, because this letter is so strange in Spanish, right? We have so few words with that letter because most of the words come from other languages. So, for example, some countries call them W, W, B double, and so on. Many names. I know it. I go for W. In Mexico, a lot of people say W, but W, B double, whatever. In other countries, is acceptable too. They are all acceptable, okay? X de, Mexico. Again, this letter is a little bit strange too. We don't have a lot of words with this letter. So I decided to use Mexico because it explains very well one of the most important sounds of this X de México. ¿Ok? México se escribe con X, no con J, con X en México. Y. This is an interesting character. Y. Y de voy, caray, caray. O yo, o vaya. Two sounds. And we're going to talk about them later. And the last one, Z. Z de zanahoria. Zanahoria, carrot. Okay? Well, Very well, now we've finished with our list of letters in Spanish.